Hi dear students, welcome to the Maths class. Today we are going to see exercise 1.2. This exercise is fully deals with relation. Definition of relation: a relation R from A to B if A to B is a subset of A cross B, then it is a relation. If A to B is not a subset of A cross B, then it is not a relation. Okay. First let us see what is meant by subset. A set which all the elements are contained in another set. A set of which all the elements are contained in another set. In exercise 1.2, question number 1. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 7 and B is equals to 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? In this first question, R1 is equals to 2, 1, 7, 1. First let us find the value of A to B. A cross B. Tell me what is the value of A cross A? 1, 2, 3, 7. Cross value of B 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Okay, do the cross 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 7, like 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, minus 1, 2, 7, 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1, 3, 7, 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, minus 1 and 7, 7. These are the value of A cross B. Okay, how to find whether it is relation or not? R1 is equals to 2, 1, 7, 1. Find whether it is relation or not. 2, 1 and 7, 1. There is no 2, 1, 7, 1. So, it is not a relation. Next, your third subdivision. R3 is equals to 2, minus 1, 7, 7 and 1, 3. Find whether it is relations or not. Let us see whether it is relation or not. Already we have seen A cross B. Already we know the value of A cross B. Check whether all the terms satisfied in A cross B. 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 7, 7, 7, 7, 1, 3, 1, 3. Here, therefore, R3 is a subset of A to B or A cross B. Hence, it is a relation because all the terms are satisfying A cross B. So, it is a relation. Represent each of the given relation by an arrow diagram, graph and ordered pairs. First question, x equals to y, x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. First write your condition x equal to 2y. Substitute your x belongs to values 2, 3, 4, 5. Substitute the value of x here 2 equal to 2y. That means 2 by 2 equal to y. When we cancel this we will get 1. So y equal to 1. Next the value of 3. 3 equal to 2y. 3 by 2 equal to y. Next the value of 4. X equal to 4 equal to 2y. 4 by 2 equal to y. When we cancel this we will get 2. So y equal to 2. Next 5. 5 equal to 2y. 5 by 2 equal to y. Now check all the values. Y equal to 1, y equal to 3 by 2, y equal to 2, y equal to 5 by 2. See your y belongs to term. Y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. See this set, which are the satisfying set? Y equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So first let us draw the arrow diagram. Before doing your arrow diagram, write your roster form. R equal 2, 1 and 4, 2. 2, 1 and 4, 2. Rest of the terms are not satisfied in y term. So we don't want to take these terms. 2, 1 and 4, 2. This is what your roster form or ordered pairs. Draw the arrow diagram for the ordered pair. Write the x value 2, 3, 4, 5. Y value 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the pairing 2, 1, 4, 2. X, Y. That's it. Now graph. X, Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1 and 4, 2. Third subdivision is your set in roster form. Already we have seen our roster form. You just copy there. R equal to 2, 1, 4, 2. That's it. Question number 4, second subdivision. X, y. Y is equals to x plus 3. X, y are natural numbers less than 10. Natural numbers means the number which starts from 1. X is equals to, write the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Less than 10. So no need to write the 10. Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See the condition. Y is equal to x plus 3. Now substitute your x value here. X is equal to 1. Let us substitute x is equals to 1. 1 plus 3. That means y equal 4. Next substitute x equal 2. That means y equal to 2 plus 3. Y equal to 5. Next substitute x equal to 3 here. Then y equal to 3 plus 3. That means y equal to 6. Next substitute x equal to 4 in this condition. So y equal to 4 plus 3. That means y equal to 7. Next substitute x equal to 5. That means y equal to 5 plus 3. Y equal to 8. X equal to 6. Substitute here x equal to 6. Y equal to 6 plus 3. Y equal to 9. Next x equal to 7. Y equal to 7 plus 3. That means y equal to 10. Next substitute x equal to 8. Y equal to 8 plus 3. That means y equal to 11. Next x equal to 9. Y equal to 9 plus 3. That means y equal to 12. Okay, write the ordered set pairs here. Write the roster form. When x is equals to 1, we get the y value as 4. So 1, 4. When x equal to 2, y equal to 5. So 2, 5. When x equal to 3, get y as 6. So 3, 6. X equal to 4, y we get 7. So 4, 7. X equal to 5, y 8. So 5, 8. X equal to 6 and y equal to 9. 6, 9. After this, we get y value 10, 11, 12. Because the three values are not satisfying in the y set. These three values are not satisfying in y set. Because 10, 11, 12 is more than 10. So no need to write more than 10 values. So write till 9. This is what our roster form. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 order the pairs 1 comma 4 1 comma 4 2 comma 5 2 comma 5 3 comma 6 3 comma 6 4 comma 7 4 comma 7 5 comma 8 so 5 comma 8 6 comma 9 6 comma 9 next a graph one comma 4 so 1 comma 4 2 comma 5 2 comma 5 3 comma 6 4 comma 7 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9 next your roster form write the roster form 1 comma 4 2 comma 5 3 comma 6 4 comma 7 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9 that's it. Thank you students.